Welcome to today's video. Breastfeeding is one of the most natural and cost-effective ways to nourish your baby. But even then, some expenses can add up. In this video, I'll show you how to breastfeed on a budget by creating DIY essentials like nursing pads, milk storage bags, and more. Stick around for a bonus tip on making your own lactation boosters at home. If you find this video helpful, subscribe, and share it with other moms looking to save. Nursing pads are essential to avoid leaks, but disposable ones can get pricey. Here's how to make reusable nursing pads at home. Materials needed. Use soft, absorbent fabric like cotton or flannel. Old t-shirts or baby blankets work perfectly. Steps. Cut fabric into circles about 4 to 5 inches in diameter. Layer 2 to 3 pieces for extra absorbency. Sew the edges together or use fabric glue if sewing isn't your thing. Care instructions. Wash them with baby-safe detergent to keep them clean and reusable. Pro tip: add a waterproof layer using PUL fabric to prevent leaks. If you've made your own nursing pads, share your hacks in the comments. Milk storage bags are handy for pumping moms, but can be costly. Here's a DIY alternative: reusable containers. Invest in BPA-free, reusable silicone bags or jars that are safe for freezing. DIY labels. Use masking tape and a marker to label the date and time of each batch. Storage tips. Freeze milk flat in bags for easy stacking and quicker thawing. Pro tip: save even more by using ice cube trays to freeze small portions of milk, then transfer the cubes into storage bags. Let me know in the comments if this trick works for you. Nursing covers and pillows can make breastfeeding more comfortable, and they're easy to make yourself. Nursing cover. Use a lightweight scarf or fabric with a neck strap sewn in. Adjustable straps can make it fit perfectly. Nursing pillow. Stuff a small pillowcase or a sewn fabric tube with soft filling like foam or cotton. Shape it into a crescent for better support. Customization. Add pockets to your nursing cover for quick access to wipes or burp cloths. Pro tip: choose breathable, washable fabrics for these DIYs to ensure comfort and longevity. Hit the like button if you'd like more tutorials like this. Now let's talk about boosting milk supply affordably with DIY lactation snacks. Lactation cookies. Mix oats, flaxseed, and brewer's yeast with your favorite cookie recipe. These ingredients help promote milk production. Smoothies. Blend spinach, almond milk, banana, and flaxseed for a nutritious, milk-boosting drink. Teas. Make your own lactation tea by steeping fennel, fenugreek, and blessed thistle in hot water. Pro tip: store these snacks in batches to save time during your busy mom schedule. What's your favorite milk-boosting recipe? Share it in the comments. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Instead of buying a fancy sterilizer, use a large pot of boiling water to sterilize bottles and pump parts. It's cost-effective and just as efficient. Thank you for watching this video on breastfeeding on a budget. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share with other moms. What's your go-to DIY breastfeeding hack? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to feature your tips in a future video. You're doing an amazing job, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy breastfeeding!